Richmond connects.
2 out of 14 siguro yan. 2 out of 11.
Atoy going all the way.
Oh, this time, didn't settle for a jump shot.
Just like those good old Crispa days.
And his wife Monette must be very happy with that. 6 points now for Atoy.
Rebound para kay Alvin. Richie Fram from the corner. Yes, sir.
Oh, he still has that hand. Richie Fram, known as a three-point gunner. Remember, in the 2002 Governor's Cup, he teamed with Gerald Honeycutt.
Pasa kayo ng pasa, pagod na ako. And Lazar scoots in for the layup. We're tied, by the way, at 124 with time running out in the third quarter. Richmond spotting up for three. Richmond got his own miss and goes in. No goal. That was supposed to be a layup, but he missed it. Lazar with a basketball here. Cross court, Payton. Payton to Apego. And the fortune cookie uncourts. Oh! Almost, but not quite. What a heartbreaker. With time expiring, we're tied. 124 all at the end of three quarters. Alan David leading the way with 35 points. And, Alan showing everyone, Mapa PPA, Mapa NBA, that he's one of the best. Back in a moment.
The 2010 NBA Asia Challenge is presented to you by KFC, the official fast food restaurant of the NBA. Petron Turbo.
You know, I noticed something, Kinito. I noticed something. I was watching Tim Cone while the Miami Heat dancers were on the floor. He had a wider smile watching the Miami dancers than when he won the Fiesta Conference Championship. Just an observation.
Are they potential students of the Triangle? You might think of a dance routine based on the triple post offense of Tex Winter.
Nagsimula na fourth quarter. Let's go to Leah Cruz.
Oh, nice. Nice look.
Yes, Leah, go ahead.
All right, well, if earlier, all fun and games for the white team ngayong fourth quarter na mukhang nagsiseryoso na sila. In fact, Chris Webber and Mitch Richmond saying, come on, guys, we're in it to win it. Let's do this. It's the fourth quarter. Looks like they're going to pull everything out of their hand. Nico?
In it to win it, kapeng mainit. Well, of course, both of these teams, they're trying to entertain the crowd. They're trying to have as much fun as possible. But ultimately, they're trying to win a game.
That's right. There's a lot of pride at stake here. Naturally, these NBA players want to show that they can win and they will win. And pass not there for Bagat Lazar.
Here's the aerial Voyager. Oh, missed the layup. He'll try again, and the reverse layup is good. First, Varel also busy coaching the JRU Heavy Bombers in the NCAA. There's Magsanok locates Richmond, and Richmond will score off the glass.
Mitch Richmond earlier in the halftime interview actually mentioned something about Coach Ronnie Magsanok's passing. And that's a nice tribute to the Meralco assistant coach. Oh, he's a steal. Richie Fram taking it away from Berhel Meneses.
You know, while Lazar scored that slam dunk, you know, Richie Fram just asked Alan Kadick to sign his jersey during the game.
And he wasn't there on offense.
I don't blame him. I would do the same. Alan has been the star of this show without a shadow of a doubt.
Oh, that's a long three-pointer. Oh, book it. Ang layo nun.
And Magsanok scoots in, splitting the defense for the layup. Oh, look at that! A nice assist for Mitch Richmond. Teka, hindi sila magkakampi ah. Nalito ako ito na.
Now it's showtime.
Ayun, Tubig, tinulungan na ni Fran. Sabi ni Fran, kanina ka pa hirap na hirap, tulungan na kita. Pards. Here's Glenn Rice. A long one. Lazar goes out of bounds. Weber will be sent back in this game to replace Mitch Richmond. Of course, Chris Weber, if para kay Gary Payton, his glory years were those days in Seattle. Chris Weber, a lot of fans will never forget how they valiantly tried to defeat the LA Lakers when he was still with the Sacramento Kings.
That's right. In fact, he was relating his frustrations as a basketball player. He had those two finals stints with the University of Michigan in the NCAA, lost both championship attempts. And then in the NBA, you were mentioning about the Sacramento Kings versus the Los Angeles Lakers series that went to 7 games, and Chris Webber was frustrated. Sacramento Kings losing in the Western Conference Finals. Then he had another Eastern Conference Finals stint, his last season in the NBA with the Detroit Pistons against the Cleveland Cavaliers in 2007. Natalo di siya doon.
Ronnie Magsanok glides in for the layup. But even through those disappointing finishes, Weber remained one of the more popular players in the NBA. As Tenorio uncorks and misses.
I'll tell you, with C-Web, even if he retired without a championship, NCAA or NBA, he bankrolled $176 million during his NBA career. So that's enough of a consolation.
More than enough. That will really make you popular. There's Alvin. And Patrimonio scores underneath. Alvin Patrimonio, a 4-time PBA MVP. We all call him the captain for so many reasons, as Meneses misses the layup.
Now that was a vintage Meneses move. Where's he from? He likes that corner pocket shot.
Interception almost by Lazar. Here's Magsanok. And Magsanok. What is Ronald Tupi doing? From again.
That's 24 points now for Richie. So this is one of the things we were expecting. A shooting duel between Fromm and Alan Kaidik, with Glenn Rice getting into the picture.
Magsanok looking at Fromm. Fromm with a hot hand. But he missed that time. Meyerhofer with the rebound.
I know we were talking about fresh legs. Here's Rico Meyerhofer. Uh-oh.
Person Vergel Meneses was strutting his stuff for Swift. He was the recipient of many alley-oop passes. And here's Meneses with the basketball. Vergel with the leather. Lob pass, Lazar, and that's a nice connection.
That lead is up to 7 now. Still a lot of basketball time left. But we're not going to be seeing any of these teams reaching 200 points.
Tao lang, tao. Napapagod din yan. So 6:05 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Score natin 151 for the red team, 144 for the white team. And look who's back on the floor. Alan Kaidik with 38 points. I really believe 200%. At sa mga practices na Ginebra, sa mga piso-piso na pustahan for 3-point shots, Alan will win it 9 out of 10 times.
I would think so. He still has it.
Now Vergel connects at nadagdagan na lamang ng red team. 153-144. We'll be back with more action after these. Gary Payton having as much fun as allowed in this game. Meantime, here's our Coach Iba, innovative play of the game, the leading innovation. Gary Payton off the glass for Lazar. Darnell Lazar on the receiving end of that Payton assist. Just one of many highlights in this unforgettable game. We're watching the NBA Asia Challenge 2010 on Solar TV. Bernie of the Miami getting stealing the show here, trying to distract Odman Ontiveros.
Whose side is he on? Walter Antiveros getting in his licks. By the way, si Alan Gaidic nakaka-38 points na. Has not scored here in the fourth period, already with 10 3-point shots. Want to give you an idea of how he scored. His personal high in the PBA, that was back in 1991. Alan Gaidic hit 79 points and 17 3-point conversions.
Right now he has 40 points. 40 big points for the trigger man as we go to Patricia Bermudez season.
I caught that time when Coach Tim Cohn was telling Gary Payton about L.A. Tenorio, how he was the finals MVP, and Payton said, "You mean that little guy?" Then Payton rushed over to L.A. to give him major props. Like, he was even more impressed that L.A. got to play 40 minutes on average plus. So L.A. this whole time was just in disbelief. Parang kinilig talaga si L.A. na pinupuri siya ni Gary Payton. Now, Gary, by the way, is out for the count already. His leg has gotten super tight. That's why he's stepping up his fan interaction time. Nico?
Oy, sa pagod ni Gary Payton, pati yung sapatos niya, binigyan nito sa mga bata in a contest during the timeout as Alan fires. Alan now with 43 points. 43 points for Alan Gaidic.
And Chris Webber on the reverse. Oh, White team really has to play super defense here to turn things around.
Maybe next year, Benito, we could probably name this event the NBA Asia Alan Gaidic Challenge. As his scores.
And more of the legends scoring here for the red team.
Here's Benji.
That ball slipped out of his hands.
Madulas rin. It's the ball sport. Now Allen still connecting. Oh boy, the former University of the East hot shot. Now with 46 points. Well, the white team looking for a late rally here in the fourth quarter with under 4 minutes remaining. They're down by 12 points. But Alan Gaidic will miss that time, but he continues to impress. Magsanok to Weber. Weber to Tyndale. Tyndale back to Weber. Weber to Magsanok. Nobody wants to shoot, so Magsanok says, "I'll do it."
I don't know if they were setting up for a 3-point shot. And maybe Magsanok getting the 2 points.
Well, here's McRae. Chris McRae to Glenn Rice. As we approach the 3-minute mark of the fourth.
Oh, that's an air ball. Way outside.
Exhibition time, but Allen would have none of it. Allen for 3. No go. Rebound, Verhel. Once upon a time, Verhel and Allen were teammates. They're teammates now, and they're on top. 165, 153. Back after these. And 51 remaining dito sa fourth and final quarter of the NBA Asia Challenge 2010. Miko Halili kasama si El Decano, Senyor Kinito Henson. And right now, Red is in control, 165-153.
On the Whites, setting up Donton Oliveros, who now has a hot hand for a 3-point shot. At kanina nakita natin yung inbound nila, no? Talaga nagtitipid sila sa oras. Wide open 3-pointer, not there. Window of opportunity for the white team. They're down by 9.
Here's Magsanok for 3. No go. And L.A. Tenorio gets the long rebound para sa red team. They're protecting a 9-point lead. Here's Atoy. Turn around. Yes, sir!
That's 8 points now for Atoy Ko. He started off 0 out of 8.
You sure it was just 0 out of 8? Like 0 out of 80. That's the minutes brought to you by Smart Buddy. Let's play. And Benji Paras with a good game here tonight. Benji with 18 points. Here's Allen for 3. Yes, sir! Alan Gaidic with 49 points.
And Bernie now is on the floor. He's running with the boys.
What is